In this video, we are going to have a quick functional overview of WSO2 API Manager. You can download the WSO2 API Manager from its official website. I will give you the URL in the description of this video. Here you have a Try It Now button. When you click it, you will see this kind of a view. There you have to provide your email address and accept the WSO2 software license, and then you can download the WSO2 API Manager as a zip file. After downloading it, to get to know what to do next, you can go to this quick start guide. As a prerequisite to getting started with the WSO2 API Manager, you have to have this particular Java version in your computer. If not, you have to download and install the particular Java version. And then you can go to the third step here. You have to open a terminal inside the bin of this extracted root folder. And based on your operating system, you have to provide these particular commands to get started. So if you are a Windows user, you have to give this particular command. And if you are a Linux or Mac user, you have to give this apimanager.sh command to get started with WSO2 API Manager. Once you enter the command, you will see number of logs appearing in your terminal. If all set, you can go to the publisher portal from this URL. Localhost 9443 is a port /publisher. Provide this URL in your browser. You may see the publisher portal of the WSO2 API Manager in your browser. You can log in here by providing admin as credentials, the username and the password. In the publisher portal, you can create APIs, publish APIs, and create new revisions of the APIs as new versions, and also to create API product as well. And definitely many more. This is a very brief overview. And then you have the developer portal of the WSO2 API Manager. You can access it through this URL, localhost 9443 /devportal. Here you can create applications, subscribe to APIs and try out them and see the comments and so on. And also you have the admin portal of the WSO2 API Manager. To access it, you have to provide the URL localhost 9443 /admin. There you can manage the rate limiting policies, gateways, API categories, bot detections, tasks and so on. And also from localhost 9443 /carbon/admin login, you can control the login related things, data sources, users, roles and multi-tenancy as well. Hope you got a good overall view of the WSO2 API Manager in this video. In the upcoming videos, we'll see these features one by one.